Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about this package that I got today in the mail from Influenster. So they actually teamed up with Marc Jacobs Beauty. Yeah, as soon as I got this package in the mail, the first thing I did was open it up to see what was in it. And I took out these two lip gloss sticks. So this one is in Candy Bling. And then this one is an Honey. And they basically sent over a little pamphlet. So I'm just gonna read this pamphlet really quick for you guys to kind of like give you a little bit of background information. And then I'm gonna go ahead and try on the lipsticks myself so we can kind of see what it looks like, check out the formula, check out the packaging and all that. It says, introducing Enamored Hydrating Lip Gloss Stick. Nourishing gloss, gel lip shine, radiance on the run. Experience irresistible melt-on cushiony texture that delivers condition and color with the shine of 30 coats of lacquer. Enamored Hydrating Lip Gloss Stick pours the brilliant shine of a gloss into a nourishing tinted balm with luxurious lip care benefits featuring vitamin-rich Kahai oil. This ultra plush non-sticky formula with a creamy mint scent helps protect, moisturize, and soften lips. Okay, I like mint a lot, so we'll see. So here's a pro tip. I actually messed this up already because, okay, so this is what it says for the pro tip. The stick does not retract. Twist up enough for one application only. This ultra creamy formula needs to be held in the tube until ready to use. Alright, so I did not read this pro tip before I opened up this lipstick right here. And it basically says that the stick does not retract, so it's not retractable. So when you know when you have lipsticks and you go to open it up and then you use the amount that you want and then you basically just twist it back in so it goes back into the tube. This does not retract, right? I did not know this because I didn't read the pro tip. I just went straight into trying to swatch it right away. So I went ahead and just like opened it as much as I could to kind of see how much product was in it. And then I realized I couldn't bring it back. So I only did this thankfully with Candy Bling. But it kind of sucks now because, I mean, the only thing I can really do now is just kind of close it in here. But I just think this is so funny that I did not read this pro tip. And this is like really important for you to know if you do end up buying this. Or I'm sure so many people are going to swatch this in store and just do exactly what I did and then not be able to bring it back down. So yeah, so once I realized with the Candy Bling that these are not retractable, I didn't keep going with this one and keep pulling it out. I left it as it was, so I didn't mess up this one, which is good. This is kind of the color that I like more, but the only thing that happened was when I was opening this up, this kind of cracked right here. So, I mean, I'm really surprised because Marc Jacobs is known for having amazing packaging. So I'm surprised that cracked like that so easily. I mean, it could have just been the force against it. So I'm going to go ahead and take off my lipstick and I'm going to do swatches on my hand so you guys can take a look. So I'm going to go ahead and swatch Honey on my hand really quick for you guys to see. Okay, so I did swatch this a couple times and it is a bit sheer, which I personally like for lip gloss, but I just wanted to let you guys know that as well. And I'm going to go ahead and swatch Candy Bling on my hand as well, side by side, so you can kind of see what they look like. Alright, so we have Honey and Candy Bling. So Candy Bling is definitely more pigmented, but I like the fact that there's different pigmentation depending on the gloss. So this one is more sheer and this one is definitely more pigmented. Alright guys, so I'm gonna actually swatch Candy Bling first on my lips, and I just brought the camera a little bit closer so you guys can see, and I have a mirror right here. Right, it smells like mint. So this is what it looks like on the lips, and I really like it. I feel like my lips look very full and juicy, and it doesn't feel like when I'm walking in the wind my hair is just gonna get randomly stuck on my lips because it's so sticky. It just feels really nice, like a really good formula. I really think it's really pretty. So yep, this is Candy Bling, and this is what it looks like. So I'm going to go ahead and try Honey. Okay guys, so that was Honey, and I applied that onto my lips. So I definitely think this color does not make my lips look as plump as the other one, probably because it's more sheer, but I still think it's really pretty, and I feel like you could put this on top of another lipstick, which is really cool because it is so sheer. So The price point of this product is $28 for 0.07 ounces of product. So, I mean, it's pretty fair price point since it is a high-end product. Okay, so I'm just gonna give you guys my final thoughts on this. So overall, I like the lip gloss sticks. I think they're very weightless. They look really good. They smell good. Very high shine. I personally tend to like more lip glosses over mattes. If you like mattes, then I don't think you will like this at all because it doesn't dry down. So yeah, also something I did not like about the packaging was the fact that it's unable to retract. So I ended up kind of ruining this lipstick because of that. And the only thing is that it doesn't say anywhere on the outside packaging here that it's unable to retract, so you wouldn't really know that. I know a lot of people, the first thing they do is they open up the lipstick right away to see how much product is in the lipstick, or I don't know, sometimes I just do it randomly just to play around with the lipstick because I'm just, I don't know, bored. But yeah, it doesn't say anywhere in the outside packaging that it's not retractable. So it only said it here in the pamphlet right here, a pro tip. So that was really the only way I knew, but I kind of found out after I already did that to the Candy Bling. Overall, I do really like the lip glosses. I think they're really nice. I'm definitely going to get a lot of use out of it, especially in the summer, but I do think the packaging definitely needs some work. And you guys know that this product was sent to me for free by Influenster, but all opinions are of course my own. So if you guys enjoyed this video, definitely leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and definitely follow me on Instagram at beautybydreav, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.